To start this piece, we are going to do the on-slide. I leave it on the needle. I pick up the cell phone charger and single crochet. This way, I show it here in the video. Now I'm going to get that initial leftover wire. And let's go to work on top of this leftover wire. So let's do 16 single crochet, just as I show here in the video. So I'm holding the leftover wire and working single crochet. So when we finish, we will not leave it that way. We will float here to the side, right? Until it covers quite a lot. Charger cable is so you organize your points. Choose leftover wire, and it will look more or less like this. To continue, I will do 12 streams. Now I'm going to jump a chain. Insert the needle into the next. I am looking for thread. Introduction in the next. I am looking for thread. And we work this way until the end, always introducing the needle into the next stream, looking for the wire, introducing, looking for thread, and always leaving it on the needle. I do this 11 times. I got here, or on the first little current. I get all the handles on the needle. Now bow. I pull all the straps at once. This way, I insert the needle here into the 2 loops of the single crochet and make a slip stitch. After making the slip stitch, let's do 16 single crochet. So I will make my single crochet here. Always the same. The accuracy of the points, that they leave the most similar possible is ready, staff. I finished my points here. I'm celebrating. Carefully the points here towards the right. And always, I'm looking at work. Following, I make 12 chains. And let's repeat the sheet again. So here I make my 12 chains. I skip the first. I introduce the needle. I look for the wire, and always with this movement. Introduce the needle, pick up the thread and leave. On the needle. So I do this for all the little chains. No need. Call the wire a lot? Very naturally. We arrive here on the first stream. Loop. And I pass inside. Of all handles. Following, I introduce the needle, looking here for the 2 loops of the last single crochet. And I make a slip stitch. This way. Now I will proceed. On this repetition, I will make 16 single crochet. And then, let's repeat the sheet again. I align the dots, I pull everything here to the right. And I will make 12 chains again. And after making the 12 little chains, we will repeat the same process. From the front leaves. This way, I show it here in the video. To the first stream. After reaching the gully loop, step inside. Of all handles, and I end up making a slip stitch. In the 2 loops of the single crochet. So we're going to repeat this to the end of the cable. Now with the thread of another color. I am using the color pink, but it can be red, yellow, white. Go by your preference. I make 1 chain, wire loop, insert inside the magic ring. I have 3 handles, loop shot the 3, making half double crochet. I repeat again. I have 3 handles. I shoot all 3 handles. So we have 2 half double crochet. I make 1 chain and 1 slip stitch inside the magic ring. I make 1 chain. Now I make 2 half double crochet. I make 1 chain and 1 slip stitch inside the magic ring. Let's repeat this 5 times. Then just finish it with a tapestry needle. And this is the result. Wonderful piece from our crochet piece today. What is the finish? Charger cable of cell phone, a way for you to save your cable, and also give it a more beautiful look, more feminine. I hope you enjoyed it. This is an excellent idea for you to give as a gift or sell. Very fast to do, and also very beautiful. I hope you enjoyed it. Already leave your like, and also subscribe here on the channel. Until the next